The press in British India was more than just news. It was like a weapon of awakening. The newspaper became a powerful tool to spread ideas, shape public opinion, and inspire change. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the important newspapers and their founders to show how they left a lasting impact on our history. Welcome to Shriram Sai's UPSC Prep, and let's start this informative session. And the first newspaper is Bengal Gazette. It was published in the year 1780 in Calcutta. It was founded by James Augustus Hickey. It was the first English newspaper in India. It was also the first newspaper published in Asia. This newspaper provides a public forum for information and expression, including a sharp criticism of the East India Company's administration and policies. The newspaper is known for its outspoken, discussing taboo topics and advocating for the rights of the poor, which also led to its suppression by the British authorities. The next newspaper is Samachar Darpan. Baptist Missionary School founded Samachar Darpan newspaper. It was published in the year 1818. It was the first Bengali weekly newspaper. This newspaper provides information on law, politics, social reforms, and education with the goal of making news and knowledge accessible to the common people and shaping public awareness during the colonial era. The next one is Mirat-ul-Akbar. The founder of Mirat-ul-Akbar was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. It was published in the year 1822. This was the first journal that was published in Persian in India. This newspaper published articles on social reform such as the abolition of sati and women rights, the political and social realities under the British rule, and the benefits of modern education and science. It also carried critiques of British policies and advocated for press freedom. The next newspaper was Digdarshan. It was published by John Clark Marshman in 1818, and it was the first Bengali monthly. This newspaper was published primarily for educational purposes, covering topics like science and general knowledge to inform and educate the youth. The next one is Sambad Comedy. It was published by Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1821. It was a prominent publication that advocated for social reforms, particularly the abolition of the sati practice, promoting women's rights and modern education. The next newspaper was Bangdat. It was published by Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Dwarkanath Tagore in 1822. This was a weekly in 4 languages, that is English, Bengali, Persian, Hindi, to reach a diverse audience. The next newspaper was Bombay Samachar. It was published by Fardunji Marzban in 1822. It was the first weekly in Gujarati. It was initially printed for the business community as a weekly newspaper focused on shipping news. It provided a diverse range of information, including government news, international updates, and advertisements to its subscribers. The next newspaper was Rasht Goftar. It was published by Dada Bhai Naroji in 1851. It was printed for the Parsi community in Western India to advocate for social reforms and modernization, promoting education and challenging orthodox practices. This journal promoted new ideas and played a vital role in the social and religious reform movement within the Parsi community. The next newspaper was Hindu Patriot. It was founded in the year 1853 by Girish Chandra Ghosh. It was printed for peasants, especially the indigo cultivators during the Indigo Revolt. The next was Som Prakash. Som Prakash was a Bengali newspaper founded in the year 1859 in Calcutta. It was started by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar under the editorship of Dwarka Nath Vidyabhushan. It was famous for its contribution to the Indigo movement. The next one was Indian Mirror. Indian Mirror newspaper was founded by Devendra Nath Tagore. It was published in the year 1861. This newspaper advocated for social and political reforms and promoting Indian aspirations. The next newspaper was Bengali. It was published by Girish Chandra Ghosh in the year 1862. This newspaper advocated for Indian independence and criticized British rule, and it was the highest circulating weekly newspaper in India during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The next newspaper was Amrita Bazar Patrika. Amrita Bazar was published in the year 1868, founded by Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Motilal Ghosh. The newspaper took a prominent role in the Indian independence movement, advocating for nationalism and criticizing British rule. When the Vernacular Press Act of 1878 threatened Indian language newspapers, the Amrita Bazar Patrika famously switched to English overnight to continue its fearless reporting. The next newspaper was Banga Darshan. Banga Darshan was published in the year 1872. The founder of this newspaper was Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It served as a medium to bridge the gap between the educated and uneducated, popularize nationalistic ideas, and promote intellectual discourse on literature, society, and philosophy, including the revival of ancient Indian texts. The next newspaper was Dinabandhu. It was published by Krishna Rao Pandurang Bhalekar in the year 1877. It was an outlet for the Satya Sodhak Samaj, an organization founded by Jyoti Rao Phule to promote social justice and equality. The next newspaper was Kesari. Kesari was founded by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This newspaper was published in the year 1881 in Bombay. It was a Marathi newspaper. Bal Gangadhar Tilak used the Marathi language newspaper to advocate for self-rule and social reform, making it a significant platform for nationalist ideas during the struggle against the British rule. The next newspaper was Swadesh Mitram. Swadesh Mitram was founded by G.S. Iyer. It was first published in 1882 at Madras. The newspaper was an influential publication that promoted Indian nationalism and was a crucial platform for the Indian National Congress. The next newspaper was Paridashak. It was published by Bipin Chandrapal in the year 1880. This journal was one of the early media outlets used by Bipin Chandrapal to propagate his nationalist views. The next newspaper was Udbodhan. Udbodhan was founded by Swami Vivekanand in the year 1899. This newspaper was started to share the greatness of Indian civilization to a broader audience. The next newspaper was Indian Opinion. Indian Opinion was founded by Mahatma Gandhi when he was in South Africa. This newspaper was published in the year 1903. This newspaper was started with an aim to fight racial discrimination and civil rights issues faced by the Indian community. The publication published in multiple languages including English, Gujarati, Hindi and Tamil, which served as a tool for the Natal Indian Congress and the wider political movement. The next newspaper was Yugantar. Yugantar was published in the year 1906 at Calcutta. This newspaper was founded by Bhupendra Nath Dutt, Barindra Kumar Ghosh and Abhinash Bhattacharya. It was primarily printed for the young, literate and politically motivated youth of Bengal to promote revolutionary ideas against the Britishers as a means to achieve Indian independence. This newspaper criticized the moderate methods of the Indian National Congress, aiming to mobilize and inspire the youth to join the armed freedom movement. The next newspaper was Free Hindustan. Free Hindustan was published in the year 1908 in Vancouver. It was founded by Tarak Nath Das. The publication aimed at influencing American public opinion about the plight of India. The newspaper described itself as an organ of freedom and of political, social and religious reform. The next newspaper was Indian Sociologist. It was published by Shyamji Krishna Verma in 1908 in London. The objective of this newspaper was to promote the anti-British movement, develop a network of Indian freedom fighters and publicize scholarships for Indian students in Britain. The next newspaper was Bande Mataram. It was published by Madam Bhikaji Kama in 1909 in Paris. This publication was started with the intention suspicion of inciting nationalist unrest in India. This publication was a response to the British ban on Bankim Chand Chatterjee's poem Vande Mataram and continued the nationalist message of a previous journal of the same name edited by Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. The next newspaper was The Leader. The Leader was published in 1909 at Allahabad. This was founded by Madan Mohan Malviya. The next newspaper was Independent. Independent newspaper was founded by Motilal Nehru and this was published in the year 1919. The next newspaper was Navjeevan. Navjeevan was published in 1919 by Mahatma Gandhi. It was published in Ahmedabad. Gandhiji started this publication with an objective to communicate his thoughts and promote social harmony within India. The next newspaper was Young India. Young India was published in 1919 in Ahmedabad. The founder of the Young India journal was Mahatma Gandhi. It was a weekly journal. Gandhiji spread his ideology of non-violence and resistance against the Britishers through this publication. And the last newspaper was Harijan. Harijan was published by Mahatma Gandhi in 1933 at Pune. This newspaper was started to promote his campaign against untouchability and advocate for the social and political liberation of the discriminated. He also launched parallel publications Harijan Bandhu in Gujarati and Harijan Sevak in Hindi with the same objective. So these are all the important newspaper and their founders. I hope you like this informative video. If it is, do hit the like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. Jai Hind.